students, today's topic non-geographical factors. Before we are going to the topic, I will ask three questions to you. Question number 1, what are the three types of economic activities? What are the three types of economic activities? First one, primary economic activities. Second one, secondary economic activities. Third one, tertiary economic activities. Next, question number 2. Tertiary activity is divided into dash types. Two types. How many types? Two types. Next, question number 3. The locational factors of industries are grouped into dash types. Two types. Geographical factors and non-geographical factors. Okay, students. Now we are going to discuss about today's topic non-geographical factors. Dear students, today's topic non-geographical factors. Main topic what students? Industries. First on non-geographical factors. First one, capital, availability of loans, government policies and regulations. First topic, capital. Capital or huge investment is needed for the establishment of industries. Second, availability of loans. It is not possible to start an industry with enough capital in hand. There are different types of loans available in India. You can select a loan based on your requirement. Next, so the investors seek loan to start the industries. This is the organizational setup which provides loan and insurance are required. Next topic, government policies or regulations. Government policies are another important factor that influences industrial location. The government sets certain restriction in the allocation of land for industries. To control excessive pollution and to avoid the excessive clustering for industries in big cities. So the policies also affect the industrial location. Clustering means a grouping of a number of similar things. Okay, students, next topic, classification of industries. Industries are classified on various bases in the following ways on the basis of raw materials. First, agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries, and forest-based industries. First, agro-based industries. These industries use plant and animal-based products as the raw materials. Example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, etc. Next, mineral-based industries. These are the industries that use mineral ores as the raw materials. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industries. Cement, machine tools, etc. Example, cement, machine tools and iron or other example for mineral-based industries. Next, marine-based industries. These industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Example, processed seafood, fish oil, manufacturing units, etc. Next topic, forest-based industries. These industries are used for products as the raw materials. Example, pulp and paper, furniture, and some pharmaceuticals industries. Okay, students, next topic on the basis of size and capital. On the basis of size and capital. First, large scale industries and small scale industries. First, large scale industries. Large scale industries use the largest sorry large scale industries use the latest machineries and technology, which helps improving the production. Large scale is essential for industrialization. The capital required for the establishment of an industry is more than 1 crore. The industry is called as large scale industry. Example, iron and steel, oil refineries, cement and textile industries are the best example for large scale industries. Next, small scale industries. This industries makes a one-time investment in machine, plants and investment, but it does not exceed rupees 1 crore. The capital requirement for the establishment of an industry is less than 1 crore. The industry is called as small scale industry. Example, silk weaving and household industries belonging to these categories. Apart from the above cities cited industries, cottage or household industries are also a type of small scale industry. The product are manufactured by hand by the artisans with the help of family members. These industries are also classified and grouped as miscellaneous categories. Example, basket weaving, pot making, handicrafts, etc. Miscellaneous means MICELLANEOUS. Miscellaneous means consisting of a variety of ingredients or parts. Next, Detroit of India. Detroit of India. In India, Chennai is known as Detroit of India. It has the world famous automobile industries such as GM, Ford, Hyundai and Mahindra. The city accounts for 60% of the country's automotive exports. Next, the very important topic, students, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership. First one, private sector industries. Second, public sector industries, joint sector industries and cooperative sector industries. Private sector industries. These types of industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Bajaj Auto, Reliance, etc. Second, public sector industries. These types of industries are owned and operated by the government. Example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Bell, Steel Authority of India Limited, Shell are the example of public sector industries. Next, joint sector industries. These types of industries are owned and operated jointly by the government and individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Indian Oil, Sky Tanking Limited, Indian Synthetic Rubber Limited, Mahanagar Gas Limited, Maruti Udyog, etc. Next topic, cooperative sector industries. Industries of this kind are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials or workers or both. Example, Anand Milk Union Limited, Amul, is the best example of the cooperative sectors. Okay, students, next the recap. Industry. What is industry? Industry is a place of process by which the raw materials are changed into finished product. Next, economic activity. Any action that involves in the production, distribution, consumption or services in an activity. Types of economic activities. Primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, and tertiary economic activities are the fundamental and major economic activities. Factors affecting location of industries. Factor affecting location of industries are raw materials, capital, land, water, labor, power supply, transport, and the market. Okay, students, thank you.